Welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna start our Thai style taco with some onions, some lime, some cilantro, mint. Also, we're gonna use our ground turkey today, and we are using butter lettuce as our taco shells and some fish sauce. Also add some salt and pepper to taste. So first step will be marinating our meat. So I'm just gonna squeeze 1 lime into our turkey meat. It depends on how much meat you have. For the portion that I'm gonna do, I'm only using 1 lime. Then we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of fish sauce. Also, this can vary on how much meat you have. Now we're just gonna mix it all up. Now we're gonna add half a cup of the cilantro that I chopped up earlier. I'm just gonna mix this all up in the meat together with the lime and fish sauce and let it marinate for 5 to 10 minutes. After marinating our meat, we're gonna add our red onions in our hot pan. We're just gonna saute it a little bit, not too much. We still want that extra crispiness to our meat. Also, I am going to save some of those onions that I diced earlier aside. I'm gonna add it later on at the end of the video. Just adding salt and pepper for the onions to help them sweat. Don't ask me why, I just always do this. I don't know why. So now our onions are all sauteed. We're just gonna add our marinated meat into the pan. Now we're just gonna mix this all up and start cooking. At some point, you'll see your meat looking like this. That's normal, guys. We are just going to cook it a little bit more until it's golden brown. All those liquid will evaporate and it'll turn into this. We're pretty much done with our meat. I'm just gonna go ahead and transfer this to a little bowl. So now we're gonna add the rest of our ingredients, our fresh cilantro, fresh mint, also those raw onions that I left earlier. This is going to add some more flavor into our meat. The onions will add some texture as well. Go ahead and mix this all up. So now our meat is done. Look at those colors. It's so beautiful. Now I just pre-washed our butter lettuce. This is going to act as our taco shells. I'm scooping up some meat into our lettuce. You guys, this looks so good, and it smells so good as well. So we're basically just plating this up, trying to make it look all pretty for the camera. You guys can eat a whole bunch of these, and seriously, you won't feel guilty at all. You'll feel so full and satisfied, but it's low carbs, so you wouldn't even feel like you cheated. It's so good. So this is our final product. Thank you guys for watching my videos. Please comment down below if you guys tried my recipe or if you have some more cooking suggestions for my next videos. Thank you guys for watching. Till next time. Bye.